Good evening, friends. Let me introduce myself. I am Dr. P.B. Deshmukh. I have completed my MBBS from BJ Government Medical College, Pune. Presently, I am working as a medical officer in the Department of Public Health in Maharashtra State. I also promote active therapy along with ideal diet system. I am president of Active Therapy Research Institute, Nasik. In the today's pandemic, I have introduced a new concept of auto vaccination. What is auto vaccination? Auto vaccination, a simple solution to present pandemic. Our hypothesis is autourine drops, the probable auto vaccine for COVID-19. Urine is a plasma ultrafiltrate. It is a blood product just like any other blood product. It is not a waste product. It is the excess product secreted by your kidneys which is not required by your body at the particular point of time. The main function of kidneys is to regulate, restore water and electrolyte balance. They keep all biofactors, biomolecules in your body at the optimum concentrations. Besides, urine contains a lot of ingredients, components of immunological importance. It contains excess of antibodies produced by your body's humoral immune response. It also contains a number of antigens, antigenic fragments, and nano-sized particles which have been introduced in your body by known as well as unknown invaders, including bacteria, fungi, viruses, and allergens. These antigens, antigenic fragments, and nanoparticles, when reintroduced in your bloodstream by sublingual or parental route, initiates the perfect immune response, cell mediated and or humoral immune response capable of fighting the potential threat. This is the science behind our hypothesis autourine drops, the probable vaccine for COVID-19. Let me introduce procedure. Take a sterile glass bottle of 50 ml, 15 ml capacity with dropper. Collect early morning midstream sample of autourine in the glass bottle. Instill 3 to 4 drops of autourine collected as above sublingually half an hour before taking any food or drink. Repeat the process 3 to 4 times daily. Continue the instillation of autourine drops sublingually for 7 to 28 days depending upon the severity of illness or as per your requirement. Either use fresh urine every time or use early morning midstream sample for the whole day. Indications: a person of any age group living in a high risk zone, high risk area where collection of autourine is possible can follow the procedure. A person suffering from any type of flu, influenza like illness or swine flu can take the autourine drops sublingually. A person suffering from infection of rhinoviruses or coronaviruses, including novel coronavirus SARS-CoV-2, can follow the procedure and take maximum advantage of it. Any apparently healthy individual not suffering from any illness syndrome can take autourine drops sublingually as a prophylactic measure. Contraindications: a person suffering from glomerulonephritis, pyelonephritis, cystitis, urethritis, or having renal calculi and malignant lesion of urinary tract or showing symptoms of proteinuria, hematuria, and pyuria should avoid the procedure till symptoms or illness subsides. A person suffering from RTA-STI should avoid the procedure. Women of reproductive age group should follow the procedure during their menstrual avoid the procedures during their menstrual periods. A persons having personal, social or religious taboos, stigma related to the use of autourine drops should avoid the procedure. Potential benefits: you will get maximum protection against known or unknown invaders, pathogens you were exposed to during your lifetime. This is the probable active vaccine during today's global pandemic COVID-19. This is the best cost-effective measure to protect humanity A service to humanity is the service to God. Disclaimer: this article is for the purpose of health information only. This article is not intended to diagnose, prevent, or treat COVID-19. This article is not intended to replace the advice and/or treatment of medical professionals or experts. Note: public is advised to follow the guidelines issued by WHO central or national, state and local government authority regarding present pandemic COVID-19. Thank you.